2017 Corvette C7. Let's check it out. Came through the best exhaust shop in the country. Got a Muffy D, a muffler delete. We hit them off with those carbon fiber tips. Let me show you what we did underneath. This is stock. Right here, chopped off both mufflers that are on the floor right over there. Took the tips as well, got them out of here, and then we replaced them with these carbon fiber dual tips to match that spoiler. Jem over here came all the way from Turkey.
Like now I'm just so speechless. I wanna go and like...
He's going and stun. He's gonna go stun Wynwood, pull some girls. You know the vibes. All right, let's bring it down and fire it up. You hit the thumbs up button, subscribe. Jem, how do you think it turned out?
Like finally, the sound pleases me. It sounds amazing. I cannot wait to rev the engine.
Oh, you heard the man. He's going to Wynwood right now to pull all the hose.
No,
all right, bro.
I have a girlfriend, bro.